Bonjour! In today's lesson we'll be learning to compare things by saying bigger, smaller, more ripe, etc. We'll also be practicing the superlative, the way to say the biggest, smallest, etc. to help you when you go to the market or the boulangerie and you want to be a bit more specific about what it is that you want to buy. Hope you find it useful. So first word we need to know is plus. Plus. Plus means more, okay, and it is like plus in English, plus. Plus. I know I said plus here, but it's a bit more of an U sound. Plus. Plus. If the next word starts with a vowel, we pronounce the S, but it kind of almost sounds like a Z sound. Plus. Plus. And what plus does is when you put it in front of an adjective, a describing word, it does the job of what the does in English. So smaller, we say plus petit, or bigger, plus grand, or riper, plus mûr. So the plus just comes in front of the adjective, that describing word. Okay? So here, if we wanted the smaller one, okay, we want to say smaller please, we would say plus petit. Plus petit. Now you notice here I've got an E in brackets. That's because if the thing I'm describing is feminine, I have to use the feminine adjective to describe it. So the difference this makes is that when we get the E on the end, it makes us finish on the sound of the letter that comes before it. So plus petite, plus petite. And this actually, une barquette is the word for one of these little punnets or strawberries, and that is feminine, so I would say plus petite s'il vous plaît. We want a bigger melon, please. So plus grand s'il vous plaît, plus grand. We want a riper banana. So how are we going to say it? Plus mûr s'il vous plaît. Riper, please. Plus mûr s'il vous plaît. What about the baguettes? Sometimes you might find that your baguettes are a bit too crispy and crunchy, a bit too dark, but maybe you like them that way, and if you do, then you would ask for plus cuit. Plus cuit. Okay, well actually, because a baguette is feminine, we're going to have to pronounce it slightly differently because the E is going to have to come on the end now. So we're going to say plus cuite. Plus cuite. More cooked, more well done, more brown. Plus cuite, s'il vous plaît. What about if we want a really nice strong cheese? Plus fort. Plus fort, s'il vous plaît. Stronger, please. Plus fort, s'il vous plaît. I might be offering you one and you say, no. Plus fort, s'il vous plaît. Stronger, please. Plus fort. And if we want it less something, so we might want our cheese less strong or our bananas less ripe, we need to use the word moins. Moins. Moins means minus, so plus meant plus, moins means minus. Moins. Finishes in your nose, it's quite a nasal sound, that one. Moins. And again, just like before with the plus becoming plus if it was something that was going to start with a vowel next, moins does the same, moins. Okay, so less whatever, so less big will be moins grand, less small, moins petit, less ripe, moins mûr. So now we want to say we want the less small one, basically we want the bigger one. So we're going to say moins petite, s'il vous plaît. We don't want that little one, we want this big one, moins petite. What about if we want the smaller one? So moins grand, s'il vous plaît. Moins grand, s'il vous plaît. Less big. Moins mûr. Moins mûr. Less ripe. We prefer them to be less ripe. Moins mûr. And this is the one that I use because I find that very well done, a bit too hard on my teeth. I prefer moins cuite. Moins cuite, so less cooked. Moins cuite. So if you see your baker reaching for the really dark ones and you want something a bit less, cooked, you could just say, oh, pardon, moins cuite, s'il vous plaît, madame, or moins cuite, s'il vous plaît, monsieur. Less well done, please. And cheese, moins fort. So fort means strong, like think of a fort, like a fortress. Moins fort, s'il vous plaît. Yeah, less strong. I want a nice mild one, please. Moins fort, s'il vous plaît. Now we can use this to say the biggest and smallest and ripest really quite easily because it's very, very similar. The difference is that all we need to do is just put a le or a la or le at the beginning. So just like in English where we say the smallest, the biggest, the ripest, we just have to put a the first. So we're going to say le plus petit, and that makes it the smallest. La plus grande, the biggest. But here, because I've used la, it's because I'm describing something that's feminine. Les moins mûrs, the least ripe. Okay? So, la plus petite, which one are we asking for? The smallest. La plus petite, the smallest. And remember that I've said la here because this punnet, barquette, is feminine, so that's why I'm saying la. And that's why my petite has got an E on the end. Le plus grand. Le plus grand. The biggest. The most big. The biggest. Le plus grand. Les plus mûrs. Les plus mûrs. The most ripe. Plural they. And, plural the. And then an E and an S because bananas are feminine and plural. But doesn't change the pronunciation here. La moins cuite. I already said to you that a baguette is feminine, so la moins cuite. The less cooked, the least cooked, I should say. The least cooked, the least well done. Le moins fort. The least strong. Le moins fort. Le, because cheese, le fromage is masculine. So let's have a little recap here. To say you want something more, whatever it might be, describing word, so whatever, if you're saying bigger, smaller, whatever, just say plus first, plus grand, plus petit. To say you want something less, adjective, less describing word, say moins first, moins. Remember it finishes in your nose, moins. It sounds a bit like me, doesn't it? It sounds like moi, but it's more nasal at the end, moins. To say the most adjective, say le, la or les, plus, and then the adjective. So le plus grand or la plus grande. If you're not sure if something's masculine or feminine, it's not the end of the world. Just like we said last time, give it a go, okay? And know that they will still be able to understand you if you get the masculine or feminine wrong, okay? It's something that gets better and better the more you spend time learning French, the more you listen to French, you will start to make it seem more normal for you to hear something and think, yeah, no, I know that baguette's feminine, for example. To say the least adjective, we say le, la or les, and then we say moins, and then we say the adjective. So, le moins grand, the least big. And hopefully that was helpful for you. If you would like to, there is a complimentary cheat sheet waiting for you if you just click the link in the description below. See you next time. À bientôt. Au revoir.